Another bit of 3D printing. Oh, shaky hand. Another bracket for one of these Calex security cameras. I've got a metal plate there that slides into the window. So that's an opening window, so it slides into the gap. And then that slides on there. So we can monitor outside. Next to it is my Clever Dog security camera, which is getting a bit old now, so I thought I might upgrade to the Calex. That's the metal plate. The window opens, so that's just clamped in where the window closes. I just went through all my junk pile and found that metal plate. It was actually a U-shaped. I flattened out the bottom section, so it just goes in there nicely. Quite secure.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.